Well, the other is one near your online portal and some who adomonline.com, myjoyonline.com, Africano, the Obon Cratano, there was a battle de Ababiju, and then the graphic about and say, I want time, Massa. Now, since why a crado, ya the Obon Cratamun seminal, a wahobo naposo, my yenny, said they be our yen on a futuno, the able to go to Jumuno near the court. Because he, see, and our fees here by you.
Oh, yes.
And no pay who say you're born 9 lessons and carrots, add and say, eh, see, now fear,
Oh, I say, a car was way back on it.
Ben, I watch me and say, be nessy. The dear
Kubi, Budukum. Now, you're called 2024, the magic year.
I want you better about
the year for the North.
The year for
the North.
Say,
2024, the year for the
North.
Yes.
Which is the northern part of Ghana.
Northern part of Ghana.
Okay.
Because Omunkuma no maka say the nyado meko baby.
Ah, but ma yoku akase no mi enu no NDC no. Yes.
There's only the challenge the woman you say. Dr. Baumia Pesastor sa make history war the northern part of Ghana. With a number of votes. For presidential and a number of seats
for parliamentary
for NPP. Dr. Baumia so people can say power for the victory Ashanti region. Says you will grow Santima Hoka Caribbean, Obenya Surobe Breba, Habebono. Somebody can say NPP could below 70% of Ashanti region.
Omalusi seat, so almost strong hold the Ashanti region.
Omalusi election. So now it's torn between making the history in the North, widening the gap between NPP and NDC in the North.
Now, what's a take over Ashanti?
It was a
Jumanes one.
And you North, and this Ashanti regional. Yeah, we free. Kumasi come up where 45 minutes.
No, no, a mua.
I bet you could best 3 hours.
No, yes.
Just a Juma Cassia pan and now the Dr. Large Mahmoud about. And no tinama. Among for being near brace is here, pray, reanimating one of them. A Jumaka said a demo him no.
Now, someone said,
me, Maka, make him. There's no need for Dr. Baumia to pick a reanimate from Ashanti region. There's no need. But,
because he said, be a man say, when you do Ashanti region, to send a poo. Nebia, Chema won't you more. And in Peninphobia, when you are Ashanti region, a can of po. Nasa were more. It me year groundwork in Ashanti region, Dr. Baumia wouldn't have to think about getting the seat in Ashanti region.
I don't know what you say.
Because we more grounds for
me somebody from Ashanti region, son Ashanti Maya, you might man. Because I had the duty of the new patriotic party.
So what's what we
say on me year you to maintain their party power.
But we are politicians.
So as the duty of NDC to work in their strongholds, or every part of Ghana, said they your party to be about power. Say be an so are you saying say Western region for Zunyade?
That's what Momon can on.
That is it.
Ampo.
Be a for Zunyade.
Ampo, I have
Central for Zunyade.
Western for Savannah or Hotifo.
Maybe I say Maccabi. There's no need for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to pick a politician from the Ashanti region as his running mate.
And you're mandatory.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm for lobbying.
But you know they are politicians. Oh, you politicians la.
You're a partner here. Asante mantem ramane. And some of them, you said they qualify to be running mate for Dr. Baumia. Oh, my Asante mantem. You know what me your honor. Yes, Santiman egusu esu.
Asante ma de abrehu.
What's I for running mate every one.
They be say for voting.
You wanna make us say Asante me dear me. Omo dear me because of the MPs.
ABS say the befa kakra.
O my
say emereko enimu na enwe dane. Sa.
Oh.
They say encouraging be.
Me say me dear enye ba kwasinsa no me kire me bi on picking running mate. But me susu mu.
Enye o shekete
say Asante man dear me. President Kufuor ko ase no for kan. Wo say wo pe MP obetimi abanani ma be kan manfo how they akire no.
Na o makwan mo ba nanimu de.
You see, and we are different so makwan so makwan. And it's a sentiment nyam punto dia. Then you catch it straightforward here say, your MPs no more de mono e wo fom.
Obetimi
kan ya how ntre.
Ya suma na montenten.
That is it.
E wa sentiment mu.
E dey you say, Obi ye MP wa Santiman table. No was Dr. Bawumia nya running mate. Asan what be adwuma for MPP to retain power there. Eh.
Na say nipa no so ye MP be 4 years and 8 years. Na wontumi nya area. Na say he doesn't deserve.
What one Santiman die mia. What one Santiman esu. Ene ko ayi KJT market ko hade ko Central market.
Na say ho no aye say bi say omokọ ballot paper no so. Na say MPP flag no nko ampo da ho. Na nipa bi anyina ho krom beto ama flag no.
Omunhwe ni ye.
Ntia ne ye ne.
Omunhwe ni ye adua. Saade no.
Asantefo ne ye ne.
Saade no. Esesa.
Okay.
Ne bekoso so asesa.
Ko nipa ni ti.
Me say. Asanteman, the typical Asanteman. On pesa obeta to abadiama NDC.
Yes.
It is said be ya on koga the hand people into the
on tokra.
Any friend apathy no.
On hana.
Enya ti sim say kim say Dr. Bawumia should forget 2024.
Okay.
And not in any kwase okoyi running made free. The same region.
Omudi yawo
with the same people.
People no ma mo.
Say James Sabosu.
Wa mo.
Joe Wise.
Omo.
Napo.
Omo.
Any omo keka. Nya santi no.
Omo nyina omo.
Omo ni position wa bae.
Omo nyina omo.
Do no ma ya ma santi bai.
Nothing.
Ye to say Bawumia sakofa running made free wono.
Well, young online portal no so we say a word to a wise. So MPP sent strong message to Sam George for calling Bawumia a religious prostitute. Bawumia visits MPP headquarters. NPP MPs jostle on who becomes running mate to Bawumia. And once a man here kind of hey, when your pictures be baba. Wait, they say you crack a education minister. Edujum. Well, releasing 2.86 million Ghana cedis for Akosombo Dam spillage victims and insult Okujeto Ablakwa Dienonum. EC submits request to withdraw CI for creation of one constituency and also so Ewaha Ebi.
Daily graphic. Yanchi obibiano pensu bi. Na adwanyame adwa memreda. Saturday na santema mpondwanto ahene. Nana amankwa efrifa. Ne na otwede die no ebaso.
Okay.
Wa santema mpon.
Memende ye.
Memende die no asantema mpondwanto ahene.
Okay. 11th year.
11th year. Ena na otwede die no ebaso. Ye nyina ye ba santema mpon.
Necessary.
Ye nana nimpon ene da fom. Ye nyina enko ne enko busua achi. Na be ye bi. Obeye na afom die. Bi empe akorakora bia na somtimi kwadwene wasamado. Saturday memory day ye nyina ye nhia wasantema mpon na ye ni na nadwanto ahene na otwede
se wo beko
me wo ho
na sa mpofo Jesu beba me kwa akogya
ye dase se kwa akogya ye nyame nhira pa
nhira mo so
nyame nhira wo za twere no kraka
do ni is also
between feast and morning orbit for morning
yes sabra ni power ho te wo se okoka no kokko no
so ko se unyia ba ko ogi nani na ba ko wa yiyomu a konye wo ayiyo ni
wo suni mo no oni ohia krokro
yes
babijam
Daily graphic 2024 general election battle of the north Bawumia Mahama on tough turf. Ghanaian Times 513,336 businesses land in trouble for failing to file annual returns renewal for 3 years. EPA pushes for prosecutorial powers to punish environmental offenses. Attacks on journalists worsening. Kojo Oponkroma warns. Kojo. 8 re-arrested for allegedly stealing money belonging to Cecilia Dapa. Hey.
Dadana.
Hey. Nyame dadana de namo.
Sikadada na 8 re-arrested.
Yeah, from Yasa but yeah.
Menye sure say bi wo be sa ko
wie bi.
Dadana.
This is what Odia can see.
Na wa ga de beto. The upper man's way. Me fa bi si kan to ho say bi. Oh.
So no aka.
Onya bi ni.
O rani de lu a. O be say o just how run hu nyina proper no be just.
E bi ngura ta de edu.
Anti-CC. The party no was humble. Ghanaian Times, hello. Daily Guide. Rowdy scenes in Parliament over dam spillage. NPP flag bearer thanks Otumfuo over Ashanti win. 7 names pop up for Bawumia running mate. 31 new charges for Sisidadapa mate. 5 others. Come join the butterfly. Alan tells Ghanaians.
Movement for change.
Daily Guide.
Power to the people.
The business analyst. City's outlook hinges on Cocoa syndication loan. IMF inflows and they no correct. Crude oil to average $86 per barrel in 2024. Africa Energy Chamber has set 30 million Ghana cedis disbursed under National Rental Assistance Scheme. Akosombo Dam spillage was the only option. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh comes to the picture of Energy Minister Matthew Opoku Prempeh, the business analyst. Daily Ghanaian Guide. Mahama Baumia have failed Ghanaians. John Alan Kojo Chrebatin. AMA public health officer sees maggot-infested salted fish. Arrest distributor. Hold politicians accountable for their promises. Kasambata. That's what they can say. The anchor. National Theatre rots away. Oko VIP wapa. Time.
Say it's a la trade fee. Dadana.
Oh, God.
You be jira guni esi fufuro.
Sani ya beya.
You be jira gu.
Say o se obididi.
Yes.
And to see a baby ye de ye.
Ye man say.
O see a jirigu.
A jirigu.
Ni abe kan brofa ke say dia. Structural integrity.
Yes.
Is low.
Yes.
It man penity ne sana.
Yes.
Onesan say onye architect no lawyer ntino.
Thank you.
Ontiase.
Na fa na ni so
kakra. O see ne be ye.
You pull down. Na ya excavator. Unya bia na so o ha kakra na de na tere chiri. Wo jirigu. Oh yes. We say na trade fair na say ya ye. Say na no mu so ma papa so a o mu dwiridwiri bi gu.
Ye be dwiri ma bebre agu.
Na na no so konfo no chi say dan ye o mu ja si what ma bro santin no so say.
Politicians ni nim no mo ya adwa. At the National Theatre rots away. Top pastors visit Baumia for prayers. Adwa.
Ya da say eno no na say National Theatre no. Enche so mu bedwira gu ende. Okay. Eno so ka ho.
Edu ba bi a
ebra no so a wo si edwiri gu ni esi.
Amankofo asanyes ka fro.
Okay. Ebusia ye di si na kai se na ye ya wada ntire bebo ye homoden na ye de ahosepa bro sanso na we kansie mu nsem beba asem ye dika ye de beto aso na ye forum on. Ye the people's forum ye de bebro man temo baby a how what ye ba ho na wo de atudwa na nkobotwe bi wo bi anso be